Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public.
Hi everyone. Today we have with us Kyoung, who is a postdoctoral researcher at the Institute of Optoelectronics and Microtechnology Systems at the Polytechnic University in Madrid, in Spain. Hi Ryu, how are you?
Fine. Really excited to be the curator, and also really thank you for giving me the opportunity.
We are honored to have you and looking forward to know about your research. So let's get started. So could you explain your research to us in super simple words, please?
Yes, so I have an expertise in scanning probe lithography, and what is awesome from scanning probe lithography is that you can use an atomic form microscopy chip not only to imaging things and characterize the properties of the material, but you can also modify the material. So with the scanning probe lithography is a lithographic technique. You use the AFM chip to fabricate very small structures with a resolution of sub 10 nanometers. And I hope that during the week people really discover plenty of scanning probe lithography. And also I am working with different 2D materials, transition metal dechalcogenase and graphene, to fabricate and characterize optoelectronic devices.
Wow, that sounds so cool. That sounds really cool. I'm super excited to see the pictures and the time lapse or whatever you're going to show and talk about. Sounds amazing. So, what can the followers expect in the week that you will take over the Real Scientist Nano Twitter account?
So as I told before, my mission is to show the audience what is scanning probe lithography, because I really feel, and I'm sorry that still not so many people knows about the technique. So I hope that when I show what you can do with that atomic force microscopy chip, so many novel and exciting devices and modify in every kind of materials, 2D materials, polymers, biological. I think that after this week, many people in the world will start to do scanning probe lithography. And also I will show my career path up to now, from the PhD to my and going through my different postdoctoral stays, what I have done in each lab I have worked in, and and to show people in chronological order, to show people why I choose this postdoc stay, why the other, why this topic, why the other. That makes really sense. It has some certain coherence. So I think also that the most new beginners knows something about this process.
Okay, all right. So it's going to be full of science, lots of science, and your career path and everything that makes you the scientist you are. That sounds amazing. Thank you very much for speaking with us. Looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano. Thank you, Ru.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website realscientistsnano.org and follow us on Twitter at realsci_.